In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to recover your GitHub account password. If you've forgotten your password or can't access your account, this process will help you reset it and regain access. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner and click Sign In. You'll be taken to the GitHub login page. In the username or email field, enter your GitHub username or the email address associated with your account. Instead of entering your password, click Forgot Password. On the next page, enter the email address associated with your GitHub account and click Verify. GitHub may ask you to complete a security verification to confirm that you're not a bot. Follow the instructions provided on the screen and complete the verification. Once you've passed the verification, click Send Password Reset Email. GitHub will send a password reset message to the email address associated with your account. Now, open a new browser tab and go to your email account. Check your inbox for an email from GitHub. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the email, open it and click the Set Your Password link. This will take you back to GitHub where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the provided field. Make sure you choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered your new password, click Set Password to confirm the change. GitHub will process the request and you can now sign in using your new password. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your GitHub account password and regained access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.